After 4 years of dedicated research and development, we've created technology that truly serves those who need it most. People who are isolated or lonely, have low technical literacy, or struggle with cognitive decline. We've made it effortless for aged care providers and families to help the people they care for connect seamlessly. Welcome to Dossy, the community-driven social care platform designed specifically for aged care providers. Dossy enables you to easily connect your clients with their families and a supportive community of volunteers eager to chat. In this demo, we'll show you just how easy it is to get started. Getting started with Dossy is simple for aged care providers. Visit our website and click Get Started. Choose Aged Care Provider Account to begin. After verifying your email, you can create profiles for your clients, add their names, upload photos,
and select personalized tags to best match them with available volunteers with similar interests.
Next, choose the plan that suits your client's needs. For a seamless experience, we offer refurbished iPads and data plans, delivered directly with everything set up and locked into the Dossy app to remove navigation hassles. Dossy is secure with 0 spam calls and the highest privacy standards, giving you and your clients and their families peace of mind. As an aged care provider, you can build your own volunteer community or rely on Dossy's dedicated volunteers. All volunteers undergo interviews, training, and verification to ensure safe and meaningful connections. Our volunteers are the heart of Dossy. Dossy enhances social connectivity for your clients by providing around-the-clock social and emotional virtual connections with family members and our volunteer community. Clients can see when loved ones are available in real time and connect with just one tap, overcoming any technical barriers. As an aged care provider, you can monitor your client's social connectivity over time through our dashboard. This offers peace of mind, helps you meet and exceed care quality standards, and contributes to overall client satisfaction. Dossy operates seamlessly without requiring additional technical support, allowing your staff to focus on delivering in-person care while Dossy supplements it around the clock. Enhance your volunteer retention with flexible work-from-home options, empowering your clients to connect whenever it suits them best. Our platform streamlines virtual social care, providing you with peace of mind, knowing that your clients are in control and can connect with family or our supportive community at any time. Elevate your quality of care continuously, not just when caregivers are physically present. Dossy is designed to create meaningful connections, bringing the outside world to those who need it most. Dossy makes a real difference. Get started today and discover how Dossy can transform your organization and the lives of those in your care.